look at this. This is obharshan, and the rule is that in our last class we have gone through the rule. The rule is that when we will obhart, if it is a proposition, it will be obharted to e proposition. If it is e, it will be obharted to a. That means universal will remain universal, but when it is affirmative, it will become negative, and when it is negative, it will become affirmative. It is the same case with the particular. I will become O will become I. Subject will remain the same, and the only difference is that predicate will become contradictory. That means if it is man, then it will become non-man. Now let us take some example. No man or gods. This is the e proposition, and e proposition will be obharted to a. That is, it will become all. Subject remains same, and the predicate becomes contradictory. Gods becomes non-gods. Okay. All citizens are not patriots. This is not in a logical form. So first of all, we have to transform it into logical form. All with not will be transformed into O proposition. So it will become some citizens are not patriots. Okay. Now O proposition will be obharted to I. That is, some will become same. Subject will remain same. And this negative will become positive, and that's why it is I proposition. And the predicate will become contradictory, non-patriots. Okay. All scientists are philosophers. This is directly an A proposition. A will be obharted to E. That is, it will start with no. Subject remains same, and the predicate becomes contradictory. Philosophers becomes non-philosophers. A to E. Some poets are idealists. This is directly an I proposition. I will be obharted to O. So O proposition starts with some. Subject remains same. R becomes R not, as it is O proposition, and the predicate becomes contradictory, that is non-idealists. Some leaders are good politicians. This is also an I proposition, and I also will be transformed to obharted to O proposition. So some, subject remains same. Leaders are not. This is O proposition, that's why are not. And the predicate becomes good politician is the predicate. It becomes contradictory, non-good politicians. No sinners are great men. This is also an E proposition. Okay. So E proposition will be obharted to A. All sinners are non-great men. Subject remains same, and the predicate becomes contradictory. No non-citizens. This is a subject. Are voters. E proposition, and E will be obharted to A. So all non-citizens are non-voters. A starts with all. Subject remains same. This is a subject, not any contradictory is not there. This is a subject. All non-citizens are. Predicate becomes contradictory, non-voters. This is A proposition. Then comes some socialists are not democratic. This is O proposition, and O is obharted to I. So some scientists are non-democratic. As it is I proposition, this is affirmative, and only the predicate becomes contradictory. Some cats are black. This is I proposition, and I proposition is obharted to O. Some, subject remains same, as it is O proposition, so it is negative, and the predicate is contradictory, non-black. All trees are useful. A proposition, A is obharted to E. No trees are non-useful. Subject remains same, and the predicate becomes contradictory. Okay.